we will start with sanding our table, and we will need the sanding discs and a sanding machine for this. I will gradually increase the grit numbers. I will use one disc for about 15 minutes. When you start sanding the table, you will see that the surface is super glossy. By the end of the sanding process, the table will not be as glossy, but it will be much more scratch resistant and perfect for regular use. You can keep wiping the surface at regular intervals with a wet cloth. And continue sanding, starting from 80 grit going up to 1000 gradually. If you wish to sand more than 15 minutes, you should do 2 top coats instead of 1. Once you're happy with your sanding results, you can take a universal wood polish oil and dot it all over the surface of your table. Also take some oil in a soft cloth and rub it all over the surface in circular motions. This will add a satin finish to your tables. It will also make them scratch resistant. Alternatively, you can also use a buffing pad to spread the oil or the polishing paste. The entire process that we followed here today will make your epoxy tables scratch resistant. And now for the final result. I covered the sides of the table with a lace because this is a very small table. It will only be used for decorative purposes. You can also polish the legs of your actual tables if you make a design on a bigger size. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.